All right, in this video we're going to take a look at how to perform linear regression on a TI-83 or 84 calculator. So we have this example: find the least squares regression equation for the following points. We have 116, 222, 320, 419, and 522. So in our graphing calculator, we want to go to Stat and then Edit. So we're going to edit the list. And in list 1, we're going to put our x coordinates. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then over in list 2, we're going to put their corresponding y coordinates, making sure that we're going in the same order as we did for the x coordinates. So 16, 22, 20, 19, and 22. And we can hit second and then mode to quit and go back to our home screen. So now if we press the Stat button and arrow over to the Calc menu, option 4, Lin Reg AX plus B, is our linear regression that we want. So we'll scroll down to option 4 and press enter, or you can just press 4 and it'll open it up. Our X list is in list 1, our Y list is in list 2, and we don't really have to worry about the frequency list or store reg EQ. This is where you want to store the regression equation, which would be helpful if you wanted to calculate other values using it. But for our purposes, we'll just go down to calculate and press enter, and there we go. So our equation is y equals 0.9x plus 17.1. Now, you may have two other values displayed, an r squared and an r, which for our purposes in this class aren't really going to be overly important, but if you take a course in statistics, you'll talk about those in more detail. If you do not have those, as I do not have them on my screen, the way to get them, the best way that I know, is to hit second and then the 0 to bring up your catalog, and then it's locked in with alpha. If you go down to this x to the -1 button, this inverse button here, it'll jump you down to the D, and scroll down till you see diagnostic on. So diagnostic on right there. We're going to press enter and press enter again. And we could go back and do the stat linear regression stuff, but we can also just arrow up a couple spots to highlight this, bring it up, press enter, and then press enter again. And now we have the 0.9 for A and the 17.1 for B, but we also have our r squared and our r. So that's how you do linear regression on a TI-83 or 84, and pluses, it really doesn't matter. So I hope you found this video very helpful, and have a good day.